the 9% corporation tax rule coming to Dubai from the 1st of June 2023. Will it affect you? Well, you'll find out in this video. What's going on, guys? Welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the 9% corporation tax rule that's being implemented in Dubai from the 1st of June. Now, a lot of people are asking me about this and will it affect them? It's a very important topic to note, especially if you are looking at setting up a business out here in Dubai. And it's just something that, it's just knowledgeable to know these kinds of things, right? Now, it won't affect a lot of people that I know personally, and I'll explain who they are, but it will affect certain types of people, all right? So the 9% corporation tax rule is coming into Dubai that's going to affect mainland businesses that are trading in the mainland. So the mainland being Dubai. So even if you operate or set up as a free zone company, and if you know anything about that already, you might have heard of the free zone companies. Even if you are setting up a free zone company, but you are still making money in Dubai, then you are going to be subject to that tax. Now, what is the threshold? Now, the threshold is 375,000 dirhams, almost equivalent to $102,000. So anything above that, that's what you're going to be subject to tax on. Now, just like any country, as long as you have a good financial auditor or bookkeeper, then you can claim your expenses back and that can obviously be deducted. Now, if we look at it compared to anywhere else in the world, it's still very good, right? 9%. I mean, in the UK, I think anything over 50,000 income tax, you're paying like 50% or 40% anyway. So it's still not bad. 9%, it's nothing compared to what everywhere else in the world is charging right now. Now, a lot of people, as I mentioned before, like a lot of my friends who operate businesses online, are they going to be affected? Absolutely not. So anyone who operates online, maybe you're a social media manager, maybe you do the social media side of things, whatever it is, you're not going to be subject. So you set up a business in the free zones, and because you're making money online, you're not trading in the mainland. So as a freelancer, you can still operate with the no tax rule, okay? Now, I personally am not the guy to go to if you want me to directly set up your business. However, I do have an amazing team of experts that work with me, and we can help you set up a business, whatever it is, in Dubai, and tell you and teach you how to save money on taxes and all that kind of thing. Now, how's it going to affect people in the property market? Well, if you are buying multiple properties and your sole income is going to be from buying and renting out properties, then unfortunately, you're going to be subject to this tax. If you buy one property, for example, and that's the only property, then it might not be so bad. But once you start buying multiple properties and it becomes like a whole-scale business, then the government are gonna know that the income is coming from that, and therefore you're gonna be subject to that tax. All right. But like I said, we've got accountants, we've got the financial auditors, we can help you out with all that aspect of it. Now, what you need to know is that it's not going to affect income tax. What does that mean? So if you're on a salary out here and your employer is paying you each month, you're not going to be deducted 9%. Don't you worry. Even if you are getting over 300, even if you get over 1 million dirhams a year, it doesn't even matter, okay? Now, it does affect the company itself, but it's not going to affect you. I mean, listen, I don't know. Our company's going to charge or, pay people less, who knows? But it's not going to affect you personally on income tax. So anything that you earn is 100% yours, so don't worry about that. Now, if you are operating as a business, it's very important that you now start considering your options and, figuring out how you're going to manage the books, how you're going to get financial accountants into your business to create the structure around this as well. Because Dubai's not the kind of place that you want to, start getting penalties and things that can start jeopardizing your business, all right? So once you've considered all of these things, then it's going to make your business operate a lot smoother. Again, we can help you out with that. So guys, this was just a short video to explain the 9% corporation tax rule. As I said, we'll recap again. The corporation tax rule is only going to apply to people who are operating in the mainland and making over 375,000 dirhams or $102,000. It's not going to affect the people that are operating online and solely operating where, in the free zone areas where the corporation tax will not be applied. So if you've learned something from this video, which I hope you have, then make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, if you need anything, book a call below and we'll help you either set up your business or get you a property that you want. See you in the next video.